morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope your day has been positive and productive thus far. But today I'm coming to you with a haul. Now this is just going to be a mixture haul. But the first things that I am showing you is actually from Roses. So I picked up two more of the orange sprays with the berries, and she told me that they wasn't actually bringing Christmas items out for another month, but they had 6 of these in, and I probably should have got all 6, and they were $2.99 a piece. So I got 2 of those. The next thing I got from Roses is I'm missing one of my pumpkins. I picked up 3 of these clear container pumpkins, and I think this actually twists off. I'm not for sure. Okay, pulls off, and I'm going to actually dress it up. But I got 3 of these, and they were $2.99. So I got 3 of those. And the final thing from Roses in this haul, because I got several things, but the final thing for Roses was this 3-piece mirrored set, and this was $6.99, and I got it, and I liked it in the store. I'm not for sure. It gives me my spark and my bling factor, but for $7, it is a steal of a price. It's a great bargain. So if you have a local Roses near you, please make sure you go check them out. Now that is it thus far for the Roses haul. Now what I'm doing next is I ordered curtains from Amazon, and the package came. And you know, whether I tell you or not, for everything that comes in my home, I do, if it's shipped through the mail, I do pre-quarantine cleaning. So, now open it up, and I have, and this is actually 2. It's a Shiny Beauty 60 by 245. Shiny Beauty, and in the back it says a letter for you. And I'm going to take that out and read it. And what these are my white sequence curtains. And this ain't the only set, but it says a letter from you. And it says, "Hi friend, did you know my instincts tell me that you must be a nice friend, even though we never met. With great pleasure, I write this letter to you, letting you know that it's great honor for us to provide products and services for you. Wish our products may bring you joy and happiness. If possible, could you write down your feelings and happiness and share it with more friends that you like?" And it's thank you very much for your support. Wish you happiness and luck in every single day. Best wishes, your friend Will. And that's from the company that I ordered these from. And these sequin curtains, and I don't know why I didn't bring glasses, but it's 2 white panels that they're 2 feet by 8 feet. They're sequins, and these are for the photo black drops. And I know I wanted them thin, but and I don't know if you can see that glimmer on there, but this is what they're looking like. And let me make sure I'm showing it to you on the right side. I got a little bit of fallout from the sequence, and you hang it up by the top here. So it has a 3-inch piece for your rod. So I have 2 of those, and my color is jumping in and out. I'm going to have to knock it off auto, because auto is always trying to adjust. So we have 2 of those, And the next we have are our silver. And they're the 2-piece, they're the 2x8 as well. Silver sequence. Oh, let's move that out the way. And we are, let's see. And if you're looking, you probably kind of should know. Okay, I will have to call them, because when you get pieces like this that's already threading, it would actually rip that fabric. But this is that silver sequence, and I know you can see all of the luster from that silver. And it's actually 2 of those, and it is caught on something right there. And they're thin, which is what I wanted, because I wanted the light to veer through from them. But we have that, and you're going to see where they are going. And yeah, these are catching real good. I have a whole lot of fallout from this one. So, but yeah, I'll send them a email about this here. But that's it thus far, because I got pieces that are coming in, and what I've been doing is just putting stuff up, and I haven't actually been showing you all of the pieces that have been coming in. So what I am going to be doing is I will film the clip of the pieces, and then whenever I get enough pieces in one haul, I'll combine it and make a haul. But that's it for this haul, everyone. Stay tuned for where you're going to see these going. I'm going to just open up the package, and this is, as you can see, it is from Amazon. Have a 3-piece luxury bedspread. But you know your girl cannot close out anything without always letting you know to always, always, always be positive, so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone. Stay blessed and always stay positive.